All the words that we have here have different pronunciation. So if you can pronounce all of these words correctly, your English is really good. If you can't, focus with me, you're gonna get some knowledge. So the first one that we have here is look. Look, very easy. The double O are pronounced as look. This is Luke. The U here is pronounced as U, so I say Luke. So look, very short. This is long, Luke. Look, Luke. This one with the I is I. So I say lick, lick. So look, Luke, lick. The O is pronounced as ah. So I say lock, like lock your phone or unlock your phone. So this is lock, long. This one here is The U is pronounced as in fun. So I say luck, good luck. So lock, luck. This is long, this is short. So lock, luck. This one here is a. The A is pronounced as in man. So I say lack, lack. This is A. The A here is A, so I say lake. I have a VCE rule. Vowel, consonant, E. In this case, you pronounce the vowel as its name. The name of the letter is A, so you say A, lay, lake. So this is lake, lack, luck, lock, look, luke, and lick. Mention down all your friends and challenge them with this game. And if you have any questions, let us know down below, and I'll see you soon.